Why are dynamics so darn tootin' important? I'm going to tell you why. You've probably heard me barking on about accents and ghost notes and how important they all are, but here's an actual explanation as to why I keep talking about them. Take a fill, for example, so just going around the kit single strokes. If you keep everything dynamically the same, it's going to sound a bit dead. This is why MIDI drums sound a bit off if you don't put some dynamics in them. Now, if we choose to put every note at a lower level and then pick where we put accents in, all of a sudden it sounds like a bit of magic. All of that, still right, left, all exactly the same, just randomly placing it around the kit, but we're putting accents in it, and all of a sudden it's got some life to it, there's some variation. Now, if we look at a groove and some ghost notes, you'll see again the effect that dynamics has. Take this groove. It's a bit dead in it. It's just a bit flat. But now, if we make every snare drum that isn't on 2 and 4 a ghost note, and maybe change the pattern we're doing and make it accented on the downbeat on the hi-hat, all of a sudden, it sounds much better. So those are just 2 examples as to why dynamics is very effective and useful in your playing. And I hope if you have not really been practicing dynamics, it's inspiring you to do so, because they are so worth it. It takes you from beginner to pro, I'm telling you now. But either way, have a lovely day. Big love. Mwah.